Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about what is print on demand and what are the type of print on demand and how you enter the print on demand and how you can be successful with the print on demand. This is a beginner friendly video. If you're looking to know what's print on demand, so this is the video for you. This definition I copied from Printful, one of the print on demand website. Basically, print on demand mean after you do the design, and if some customer who order that, so you can fulfill that with print on demand partners or print on demand service providers. So which mean if you do the design and if you upload different print on demand site, or you can upload that in your website, only the design, and you can put the prices and give a discount, whatever. If someone who like to purchase that, and based on this demand for the design, receive the money from them, so then you can start printing through one of the print on demand site or service provider, or even by yourself, which mean if you have some printing machines and you can do the printing, and then you or your print on demand service provider who send this design to specific customer. So that's basically print on demand. But there are few ways to do the print on demand. For example, you can design like t-shirts, mugs, hats, or caps, or shoes, or phone cover, or there are many other things. And once you design that, you can upload that to specific print on demand sites, Amazon Merch on Demand, or Teespring, or TeePublic, or Redbubble. These are some popular print on demand sites. So you first need to register one of these sites or all of these sites. Then after that, you can upload your design. For example, if you do the t-shirt design, you can upload this t-shirt design based on their requirement, especially like the size and the file format, like a JPG format or PNG format. But most of the print on demand sites are requesting PNG format. So after you upload that, so then these sites, what I mentioned here, what they do is, after you upload, and you have to put your product title, and you have to put the product description and tags, and then you can post this design. Then they check your design which is eligible for their requirement, which is eligible. Then they start promoting this specific design. If someone who purchased that, any customer who purchased that, so what is happening there is then they start to print this specific design, and then they will packing and delivering for this specific customer. Even if the customer who returned that, they will look after this all. So only you need to do search proper trend, like a seasonal trend or a specific event like Mother's Day, or maybe the Father's Day, or maybe the Christmas. Based on that type of design, if you do that, it may more help to gain a more revenue, because more customers are searching those type of designs for specific times. And once they purchase, they will pay you like a royalty free, that means the design fee. And this is one method. The other method is a website like Printful or even Printify. There are many, but these two most popular at the moment. So what they do is, they will not do any promoting your design. But the best thing is, if you're joining with this kind of website and upload your design or do the design within the website, you can establish your own brand. So these are actually already established brands like Amazon, Teespring, and TeePublic, Redbubble, and you can do the design and upload them, but you cannot build your own brand. It's difficult. But here it's not like that. You can upload your own design or your own brand name, and then what is going here is once you upload the design, you will see the prices as what I explained before, printing price and the delivering price. Then if customer who purchase via your website, or maybe a Shopify store, or your Etsy store, or your TikTok store, your Facebook page, or Facebook shop, or any other way, you can inform this website specific design some customer already purchased, and you can put his address and mention what is any other extra requirement, and they will send this to the customer directly. So you need to do proper design and do the marketing or do the promoting, and then from there, these websites, they don't do any promoting or marketing. Other good thing is, if you have your own website like WooCommerce store, or maybe Etsy store, or Shopify store, or TikTok shop, you can directly link, even Amazon shop, you can directly link to these websites. So once you directly link that, after you do the design, you can do one click, then all your designs simply can send it to your websites. And also you can give your card detail or some amount of money, you can fill it in the account. In the future videos I will show how to do this everything. I just giving basic instruction here. Once you fill up the fund or the amount of money, if somebody who purchase through your website, they immediately details go to this specific website like Printful or Printify, and they will charge the specific amount, the print and delivering. And you don't want to do anything, you can get your profit. For example, if they will charge $10 printing and delivering, you listed the t-shirt maybe $17, the $7 is the profit. They will cut your credit card $10 and $7 they keep, because that's your profit. And also you don't want to send manually the address, you don't want to do manual orders to your customer. It's all the details straight away go to these websites. So this is very easy, but only you need to do right promoting, and then with a good traffic you can get more benefit. That other method is, without going with this any websites, you can do the design by yourself, same like before, and you can create a mockups like a t-shirt mockups, or some images about the t-shirt, or maybe mugs based on your design, and that you can upload to Facebook, or you can upload Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram, whatever the place you have a good traffic. So then someone who buying this specific t-shirt, you can send this t-shirt design local printing place and make a print and send it to the customer. That is the other method. And the last method is, you can do the designs and you can do all the promoting work, and after receive the order, you can do the design by yourself, and you can print design by yourself. For that you have to have some specific machines, and then you can send it to your specific customer. But most popular methods here is the first method and the second method. First method is the most popular because you just want to do a proper design, and then you have to upload a specific website. So the next video I will show you how to join these specific programs. These 100% free. You can refer. I put all the links in the description, as I told you. And after you join these programs, or after you create accounts with these websites, next step, you need to do a proper design. Before you do the design, you must need to know what type of trend at the moment is trending. For example, if you you prefer to do a design for Christmas, so the Christmas is the trending time, so then you have to see what type of designs are more relevant. And other part of the year also you can search and find the trend. And if you select specific niche or the trend, then next step is, before you do the design, or before you do the add some words or letters, you have to check, is there any trademark issues or is there any copyright issues. For that you can use the free tools, and then you will know exactly there will be no issues. Then you can start to design. After you do the design, you need to upload this design to a specific website based on their requirement. And that part I will explain next video. I hope you will get a basic idea about the print on demand. And as a summary, the print on demand is you're doing basic design, and after do the basic design, you can promote by yourself or specific print on demand service provider. After promoting that, if somebody who purchased this specific design, based on that you can give order to specific print on demand service provider to printing this specific design and send it to your customer. That you can do by via print on demand service provider, or you can do by yourself as well, as I explained. And this is basically what is print on demand, and there are few methods or few ways you can use. I clearly explain in this video. So if you think this video is good, you can give a thumbs up, you can share this video. If you like to know more about print on demand and online side hustles, you can subscribe our channel. If you know any other way about the print on demand, or if you want to add something to this video content, you can leave a comment in the comment section. It's very appreciated. So thank you for watching this video. See you next video.